just as a reminder before we hop into the video, if you don't know how to get Among Us for free on PC, then check out my YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description how to download it for free, completely safe. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's episode or video, I'm going to be teaching you how to get a blank name in Among Us. So as you can see, I have a blank name right now. I haven't written anything. But when I try going in a public game, it doesn't work. And you can try doing, I don't know, a question mark. It doesn't work. I don't know, maybe these speech mark thing, pound sign. No, it doesn't work. So now I'm gonna teach you how to actually get a blank name. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to this site. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you don't have to write it all out. And so you want to click here with your mouse or your touchpad and just drag it over here until it goes blue. And you want to click Control C or just copy it. So once you've copied it, okay, so now that you're back in Among Us, you want to go to your username section and you want to just click Control V, and that will paste it. And as you can see, it's just quickly, I don't know, like space. But I haven't put in a load of space bars. It is actually like a small code. I'm not sure what it is, but anyway, click OK after after pasting. And now, when I click public, instead of denying me, it will actually let me in. And I'll go into a game, or I won't. Okay, no, I go into a game. One, yes. Okay, I go into a game, and as you can see, my name is blank, and I look like Mr. Inconspicuous. If this video did help you, feel free to hit the like button and maybe subscribe if you like it. And other than that, have a great day.